All right, welcome to the world of calisthenics. This is another joint for you right here. You understand? This is going to work your tricep, going to give you that horseshoe. It's going to work your triceps, going to work your front delts, a little bit of chest, and your traps, and a little bit of your back. So you come here. I like to get the grip. I like my grip to be like right in here, right? You could grip in here. You could grip even closer. You could come in here and get more of the tricep. You could grip out wide and get more of the shoulders. But you come here, right here, check me out. And then you're just gonna lower yourself down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what I'm saying? And that's gonna augment, that's another upper body joint. That's gonna augment the push-ups, the dips, the pull-ups, push-ups, all of that. Another calisthenics movement, body weight, you don't need no weights. 55 years old, fit over 50, born in 1969. I don't take no supplements, no protein powder, no creatine, no nothing. I'm all natural. I do straight calisthenics. I don't lift no weights. YouTube channel, The Podcast with Soul. Hit me on my Instagram at Sean G. Email me at thepodcastwithsoul@gmail.com. Peace.